Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix your location on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. There are two ways you can use to fix your location on iPhone. The first one is swipe at the control center, click on the connectivity box, then turn on airplane mode. Once turn on airplane mode, this is going to turn off your network access and then turn off Wi-Fi. And this is going to stop your location from tracking you at the moment. To turn it back or resume location freezing, repeat the same thing. Swipe down the control center, turn off airplane mode and turn on Wi-Fi or cellular data. Then again, to fix your location on your iPhone, you want to temporarily stop sharing with apps and services by turning off location services. So go to settings, scroll down, locate and click on privacy and security. Then click on location services. Now turn off location services. Then click on turn off. So this is going to temporarily disable your location services. And once you are done freezing your location, you want to turn it back on again. Turn this on and your location tracking will resume. So those are the two steps you can use or utilize to freeze location on your iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.